everyone, how's everyone doing? I saw another video about the tomato diet. So you can go on a diet with just to eat the tomatoes, or you can add just a tomato to your meal, like I'm talking about fish, oven roasted fish, something really easy. And some people just eat just the tomatoes, and I really don't know about that. I'm actually gonna make a salad today with the tomato. Mostly it's gonna be a tomato. And I have a question. What is your suggestion? Just a tomato diet, like all you do just eat tomato, like let's say straight for a week. I don't know if it's such a good idea. I never tried that, but what is your suggestion? But I'm gonna make a salad and I'm gonna share with you. It's called a tomato salad. So for this tomato salad, we're gonna add lemon lettuce, lots of tomato. Remember, it's a tomato salad. It's all about tomatoes. A little bit of cucumber, very little. And I'm gonna add onion. Of course, we need onion for the salad. Avocado. Since it's dietary salad to lose weight, I'm gonna add a vinegar. This vinegar is really good for when you're on diet. So I'm gonna add about 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar into a salad. There. Sprinkle with cayenne pepper. It's good for your diet. Not too much, just a pinch of it. And I'm gonna sprinkle with the yeast. It's good for your diet as well, and it's healthy. It's really beneficial. About 1 tablespoon. Just gonna sprinkle there. Pinch of salt, not too much. Remember, we're on diet. And a little bit of olive oil. Just a very little. There. Okay, we're gonna mix the salad very gently. And we have a perfect tomato dietary salad. So it's perfect for your diet to lose weight. And let me know, what do you think? It's kind of spicy. You can put a less cayenne pepper if you don't want it that spicy, but vinegar and cayenne pepper is really good for your diet, but you need to know how to use it. You need to manage. So I always add in my salad. So this is a great plus. This salad is just additional for, like I said, salmon or some kind of easy meals, not heavy meals. So thanks for watching, you guys. I really appreciate you watching my channels. Thank you for all of new subscribers. And I wish you have a happy day, happy weekend, happy week, a beautiful day. So take care, God bless, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.